Okay, we're gonna try an experiment today. We're gonna try to herd some ducks with the drone. We have a drone here. We use it for capturing aerial shots of the farm and, just playing around. It's a Mavic Air, pretty straightforward, simple drone. It's nice and tiny. I've seen videos where people have used drones to herd sheep before. And so I'm gonna test this premise out to see if we can get it to work with the ducks. So, I don't know. Got my friend Rachel here. She's gonna help by doing camera. Get him out of this corner. I'm not sure this is working out. This was not the success I was hoping for. So I'm gonna deem this experiment a failure. We're gonna have to try this again sometime soon, but for right now, I don't think it's quite possible to herd ducks in an orderly fashion with a drone. It's just much easier to do it yourself. I think the only upside to the whole failed drone experiment today was it brought our flock of khaki Campbell ducks together with 2 new ducks. So yesterday afternoon, a friend of ours here in town stopped by and he said, "Hey, listen, I've got these 2 ducks. I don't really want them anymore. Do you want to take them?" And I said, sure. And so we decided to rehome 2 Pekin ducks. They're a male and a female. I kept them somewhat separated yesterday by just a single wall of fence. During the failed drone experiment, the khaki Campbells busted through and introduced themselves to the Pekins. And so far, it seems like there's general harmony. Our khaki Campbells are almost full grown, and these Pekins are just massive. But it's been remarkable to see these 2 side by side. I mean, look at this. Pekins are so much bigger than the khaki Campbells, but the fact that the khaki Campbells outnumber the Pekins is what's keeping things from getting out of control right now. Allison loves these ducks. I think she's named the male Samuel and the female Jemima after Jemima Puddle Duck. Yeah. Another little interesting thing is we actually have our first duck egg. It was laid earlier this morning. When I was out here giving these guys water and fresh food, I found it just sitting in the grass over there. And apparently the female Pekin was the one to lay it. And so, yeah, we officially have duck eggs now. It was only 1. I was all proud of it this morning. I was comparing it to the size of a chicken egg. I ended up making Allison a breakfast of a fried duck egg. And yeah, it's exciting, I guess. Even though it's not officially one of the duck eggs coming from the khaki Campbells, it was kind of cool to see nonetheless.